easier to do it when you're young kasi
Yes.
mas mura.
Yes. And the chances that you will be insurable is
Yes.
also very high. If you're a regular employee, if you're starting a family, especially when you're starting a family,
And
that's
while
when you
you're
need it
healthy.
That's right. Yun, importante.
Habang healthy ka, dun ka magpa-insure.
That's right.
Kasi yun yung madali.
Madali. Mabilis.
Oo.
Mura pa.
Yes, huwag mo gawin pag ano ka na. I think parang ang ideal time talaga is when you're starting to work until your mid-30s because after that, it gets harder.
And also, dumadami din yung gasto. So parang feeling nila, hanggang kailan to? So start early, finish early, you're covered for life. And the good thing about it is that it's very inexpensive when you're young. And sabi nga nila, when you treat it not as an expense, but as a necessity, then you figure out that this is really my panigurado. If all else fails, I've already created an estate. A lot of people think kasi death benefit lang to eh. Hindi eh. You have to think of the lives that will continue to happen when you're not there anymore.